Are you using this to level your RV? Well, we are going to bring you to 2020. It's Izzy from Endless RVing, the channel that brings you the best in RV DIYs, product reviews, RV tours, and so much more. If you're new to the channel, we invite you to subscribe below. Make sure to hit the notification bell, and if you're back for another video, we thank you for joining us. So today we're going to be reviewing the LevelMate Pro. This is made by Logic Blue Technology, and it's made in the USA.
Woohoo!
That's a rare finding. We purchased this. This was not sent to us. I believe it was $144 on Amazon, and we are going to link that below. Logic Blue makes several products. They make the LevelMate Pro. They make the LevelMate Pro Plus. First, let me tell you what the LevelMate Pro is. Basically, it's an electronic sensor that you put into your towable RV or your motorhome. And what you do is you initially set it up with your motorhome level, and then via an app, you will pull up that app, and then on your screen on that app, it will tell you how level your RV is. It will tell you how off each corner is, which is pretty awesome. We were doing it the old-fashioned way. Now you may ask, hey, Endless RVing, you have auto level. What's wrong with you people? You're a bunch of brats. Well, yes, we do have auto level, but at least the auto level in our motorhome, and I know many others because I read the forums, sucks. What I mean by that is that when I hit auto level, it does auto level, but it raises the coach so much that you need a ladder to get in. So what we've been doing, if you've watched our other videos, and we'll link them above, we actually level as much as we can with leveling pads, and then we manually level, right? But we're still using this little bubble level to figure out how level we are. Our hope is by using this, when we pull into a site or wherever we're gonna go, I pull up the app, I can see, okay, maybe this part of the campsite is more level than the other. I pull up, now I know my passenger front wheel needs this much, driver, blah, 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 front and rear. And it's gonna make our life a lot easier, and I believe it's gonna get us even more closer to level than what we're doing now. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this and we're gonna set it up real time to show you exactly how this works. Now, I know the important thing, the first thing you have to do is have your coach as level as possible, which we already did, okay? We leveled it out as best we could, as close as we could, because that's gonna be like your zero calibration point, right? You're gonna wanna set this up when your coach is level. So we're gonna unbox it. It comes wrapped in plastic, which we took off. So what is in here? It has, let's get started. And you're gonna download the LevelMate Pro app on your phone or on your Android device or your tablet, whatever it may be. Here's the app on my phone, LevelMate Pro. As soon as you open the app, it's gonna start scanning and looking to pair with this guy, right? This is the LevelMate Pro. So there's a Bluetooth 5 technology in here. And what's going to happen is that this is going to link up with your devices, your tablets, or whatever else you have via Bluetooth, so you can read what's going on in here over here. So we're going to follow the instructions, and we're going to take you through step by step. What else is included in the box? You have, well, this is glue dots. I don't really know what this is for. You got screws, I'm going to assume, to mount, and then you have a CR2032 lithium battery, which is what this is going to run on. The instructions say to download the app, which I did already, and then remove the lid from the LevelMate Pro and install the battery with the positive side facing up. All right, then reinstall the lid. So we're going to do that. Positive, right? It has it on there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you want that facing up. All right, it's going to snap in. Then reinstall, and if you look here, okay, you see there's an arrow. So this is a arrow toward the ceiling, arrow toward the ceiling, the cover, arrow toward the ceiling. Okay, so you want to make sure you put the cover on right, or this is going to really throw you off. Make sure you reinstall the screws, tighten them down, not too much because this is plastic and you don't want to crack it, so you're just going to hand tighten, and then a little bit extra, but not too much. Good. Okay, the next step according to the instructions is you are going to put there's an on-off switch here, okay? You're going to switch that on. It says you will hear 2 beeps, which you just heard, and then you're going to start the LevelMate Pro app and follow the prompts. It says a new device has just been found. Do you want to learn this device? I'm going to hit yes. LevelMate Pro found, connecting status, fetching registration, okay? I'm going to go register everything, so I'm going to type everything in here, which I will blank out for all you people in the YouTube world. So we're going to hit next. Registration successful. Very good. Continue to set up wizard, which we're going to do now. It's going to ask you what's your vehicle type, right? You have travel trailer, fifth wheel, pop-up hybrid camper, Class B or C, and Class A. You have Class A, so we're going to click on that, and then we're going to hit next. Now, here are the measurements, okay? Measurement units, you're going to want inches, which we're using. You could do inches or centimeters, but we're Americans, we use inches. And then with this temperature is Fahrenheit and Celsius. We are Americans, we use Fahrenheit. And then driving side of the road, it has the right side of the road. Yes, we do drive on the right side of the road, okay? So we are going to hit...
You had to think about that.
Well, no, this is why I'm thinking about it, right? Because what side do you drive on? You drive on the left, but driving side on the road, you drive on the right side.
On the road.
I was thinking
where you sit.
Where you sit, okay. Right? So it's going to be right side, okay? All right, so now it says vehicle width. You are going to measure from the outside to the outside of the rear tire at the widest point. So the outer corners of the rear tires, you're going to measure that, and you're going to put that width in inches, okay? And then you're going to measure from the center of the front tire to the center of the rear drive wheel, not the tag if equipped. We don't have a tag, right? So the center of your rear drive tire to your front tire. So we're going to go out and we're going to do that now, and then we're going to continue. So we have the measurements. We are 93 inches width and we are 254 inches on the length. That is entered. We are now step 4. Installation orientation. Label faces driver's side. You have label faces passenger side, label faces front, label faces rear. So we are going to set this up. I'm going to actually put it right by the driver's side, so it'll be facing this way. I'm on the driver's side now. Your label is going to be facing the passenger side, okay? So I'm going to change this to label faces passenger side, okay? And then we have hours until it sleeps. 1 hour is fine. I'm going to be switching it on and off. I'm just going to turn it on when we're getting close to pulling in, just to save on battery life. And then it has wake up on motion, reverse front view, blah blah blah. Measurement display resolution, I am going to do 1/4 inch because that's the most sensitive. Let's hit next. And then it says if your RV has slide outs and you would like to set up the LevelMate Pro to compensate for slide lean, then extend your slide out to this time. Level your RV using a traditional leveling method. Once the RV is level, retract all your slides. This will put your RV in a slightly offset position. So what we're going to do, we're going to put all the slides out. We are going to level again, make sure everything is leveled again, okay? And then we're going to bring the slides in and hit set level. So we extended our 4 slides. We again used the bubble leveler, and we also used the door, right? The door is a cheap indicator. If you swing the door open and it doesn't really move, you're pretty level, okay? Now, just understand, guys, you're not going to get it perfect. That's almost impossible, but as long as you're within those 2 dots in the middle, you're good to go. Okay? So we're actually going to mount this label facing passenger side, arrows up, okay? It comes with mounting screws. I am not a big fan of drilling, especially if I don't know it's going to work, right? I've never used this before. I don't want to mount it and put holes if I don't need to. So I am, again, going to go back to the VHB tape. This is the 30-pound one. We're going to link it below. This stuff, man, if anybody follows Show Hauler, they're a custom Super C company, right? They actually use VHB tape to hold their sidewall panels into place. That's how strong VHB tape is. And it literally holds their walls on. So if it's good for that, it can hold this little thing. I'm gonna place it right here by the driver's side, because what's gonna happen as I approach a site, I'm gonna flip it on. That way the battery's not running and it's conveniently mounted. Now, of course, you wanna make sure this is level before you mount it, because that wouldn't be good, right? So I'm gonna use the bubble level, and it appears that it's about level right there. Now this is good to go. This is stuck there. This ain't going anywhere. So we are outside. We retracted the slides again, and we're going to hit set level. Set level successful. Now we're going to hit next. And it says congratulations, we're all set up. We're going to show the app tutorial. And it shows you everything on each side. So right now, it shows you battery level, settings, blah, 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 help, and everything else. It looks like we are zeroed out right now. So you can see on the app, it has us right and left, good, and then front and back. You could also do a top view. All right, so we are perfectly level right now. It has us on the top view, showing like a bird's eye view, front, back, rear, right and left, okay? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go back inside, and then I'm gonna take it off level and see what happens. So we are back inside. I'm in the driver's seat. Now I'm going to simulate like we're not level, right? So our driveway is pitched toward the street, as it should be, so water runs off in the street. So normally, if this is the front of our motorhome, it kind of sits this way. And it actually takes quite a few inches to get it level. So what I'm going to do is I am going to retract the leveling. I'm going to hit all retract. Go enjoy the ride, guys. All right, and you could see, you can see how off it is right now. It's starting to move, right? So that was all zeroed out, and you can see how off it's showing now. So we're about almost 3 inches on the front driver's side, over 3 inches on the front passenger side. Back is pretty level, which is normal because it's never really off right to left. It's always off front to back in our driveway. Okay, and now I'm just gonna run the front, and you can see how it's going to start correcting itself. All right, those levelers just hit the ground, and now you see it's starting to change. We would just keep adjusting the front and rear to the levels itself. So we hope you enjoyed that video, guys. We try to take you on step by step, make it real simple. We will continue using this and maybe do a follow-up video if it sucks or if it's great. We're going to put the link below if you wish to purchase a LevelMate Pro. Guys, if you have a trailer and you're leveling like yourself, this is almost like a no-brainer, right? I wish we had this when we had our trailer. If you want to make it a little more convenient for your motorhome, it's pretty cool also. If you know somebody that's new to RVing, or if you have problems leveling your RV, which is really important, right? Feel free to share this video. Also in the comments below, if you have a LevelMate Pro or you have a competitor or what do you use, put it in the comments below. To the left of us, we're going to put our RV DIY as well as our RV Essential Upgrades playlist. And for myself and MJ, we thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.